Where are you going? Don't go to there. It might be too deep, baby. Go make a snow angel. Don't go too far. There. Hey, you don't have shoes anymore. Ah, your foot's gonna be really cold. Put it back.
I'm covered in snow.
I know.
Could you help me? I need your help.
Okay.